Yay.
Okay, well,
Need a hand?
no, I'm
Okay.
gonna have Chris help, hopefully. Oh,
Should I continue filming?
yes.
Yes.
Oh,
Kind of figured.
no. Okay, no, I need you to get the other end done. Like, quickly, please. Off of me. Ow.
That hurts.
Okay. Okay. Alright, I need you to unwrap her from my shoulder, please. Okay. Get her off. Nope. So, this is why you have two people. Can we see if we can get her off of my arm?
What did you do?
Okay. Her wrapping my leg isn't as so get the snake hook and see if you can get it like inside her. No, don't pull her that way. No, honey, you need to get underneath her finger or her teeth. Yes. So you can get her to Very no, keep going. Oh! Alright. So,
Whee! Look at
Fucking
that
A.
bug.
let's get
Want me to stop filming and help you?
yeah, please.